Right now, notes are created, edited, and deleted by only admin. We need to give this functionality to the other users too. Let's see how we can do that one. So the first thing what we need to do is we need to get back to our code, go to notes, and from here go to models.py, and right before the model which we created, we need to import the user option. So when I say from Django.contra.auth.models, we need to import user. Okay, and the next thing what we have to do here is after created, we need to import the user. So let's say user is equals to models.foreign key, and then we need to load the user. Okay, and what happens if the user is deleted? Like if the user wants to get his data out, if he just wants to delete it, we want to delete all the data that is associated with him. So we're going to say on delete, we're going to say models.cascade. Okay, and it's going to be related to a name. So we're going to say related name. We're going to set that to notes. Save that. Now we need to create the migration. So I'm going to close this. Since we did a modification for the model inside the form, so we need to, like inside the note, we need to update that. So we're going to say python manage.py make migrations. Okay, so it's asking me that there's something wrong, like it is impossible to add a non-nullable field user to notes without specifying a default. So what we're going to do is we're going to provide a one-off default now because we have only one user. Okay, so just hit 1 and hit enter, then hit 1 again, so just hit enter. Okay, so now that migrations have been applied, so we need to migrate it. So migration has been created, so we need to migrate it. So say python manage.py, and then we're going to say migrate. Great, now the user is added to the user option is now added to the models.py.